So we got a high volume airbox, and now we're gonna see, is there really any difference? Let's go find out. So to keep this fair, we've got two identical SIs here. Same car, same engine. The only real difference is the high volume intake. First, we'll compare the sound. Then, we'll see how they actually feel on the road. That's always been happening. Difference is that it's now amplified. More air is circulating into your turbo. This means you're reaching your boost output faster. We confirmed this by comparing boost gauge on our SIs. It's not that the PSIs were higher on one or the other. It's more like they reach their top output faster. When I push on the gas, it's immediately reacting. Anytime I push on the gas, it goes, eliminating the lag. Response improved. Very obvious difference. I was pretty hyped, but what about the exact same car and doesn't have a high volume airbox? Today my buddy came through with the exact same car, except no high volume airbox. We're gonna see if there's any noticeable difference. Let's go.
All right, here we go. We're live.
What?
Why are you so close?
Try to get like a shot of me like this, driving.
Okay.
Like, dude, I think that's a big difference, man. Dude, I see, like, I'm in 4th gear right now and I'm tapping it at 35. It's not an immediate reaction. Like, I'm pushing and there's a delay before it goes.
Yeah.
The reaction time is a little bit different, man.
It definitely is. Yeah.
Here you go,
My
sir.
key, do I leave my key here?
I'm trusting you.
Yes. I will. I am fully insured.
So let's see what my buddy's opinion was after he drove my car and jumped back to his car.
Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. There's like, oh yeah, for sure. Like right here, like when you do a little pull, yours immediately you feel like, yeah, it feels like there's more torque on your car, and obviously that's probably happening because there's more air, right?
Yeah, because I felt a difference when we switched cars for sure. Because it's still the same car. Like my buddy said, we do feel like there's more torque in the vehicle. When we push on the gas, there's a lot less lag. Once you try the car without the high volume airbox, you kind of notice the little wait time and the acceleration of the car. Huge elimination of lag. Is it worth the $400 upgrade? Yes. It's less than an hour install and it's super easy to do. And this is just a stepping stone. It's a great first mod. I think anyone can do it. I even made a video covering some topics on it that I didn't see any other YouTube videos cover. So check that out. and see some of the mistakes and hijinks we got into. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'd really like to see some of your guys' ideas in the comments of what I should do next. So one of the next things I'm doing is I'm 3D printing a lot of accessories for this car. If you're interested in tagging along and seeing how that goes, stay tuned.